watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Branches are a versatile and cost-effective way to add a touch of autumn to your home. Whether you prefer something minimalistic or more elaborate, using branches in your fall decor can create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Let's explore 45 creative ideas that will help you make the most of this natural element in your fall decorations. Vase with bright fall leaf branches. Create an elegant, vintage-inspired fall decor by arranging bright fall leaf branches in a simple vase. Add some fake birds for a charming touch. Patterned porcelain bowls. For a rich and cozy mantle display, fill patterned porcelain bowls with moss, fall veggies, branches, and fall pumpkins, topped off with bold candles. Clear vases with gold leaves. Fill clear vases with moss and grass. Then add branches with fake gold leaves attached for a simple yet stylish autumn look. Fall mantle with fake fruits. Brighten up your mantle with an arrangement of fake fruits, pumpkins, and colorful branch and leaf displays. Antique-inspired vase. Use an antique-inspired vase filled with branches and yellow leaves for a bold, classic fall decoration. Vintage porcelain vases. Arrange branches with berries and greenery in vintage porcelain vases of fall colors for a timeless autumn look. Vintage urn with fall leaves. A vintage urn filled with bright fall leaves, blooms, and branches makes for a stunning outdoor fall decoration. Whitewashed branches. For a neutral space, whitewashed branches with neutral fake leaves add a subtle fall touch without overwhelming the decor. Pumpkins with tall branches. Insert tall fall branches into oversized natural pumpkins for a unique outdoor decoration that frames your door beautifully. Bright fall leaves in a clear vase. A simple clear vase filled with branches bearing bright fall leaves is a classic and quick-to-create decoration. Bold red leaves and pumpkins. Combine branches with bright red leaves and surrounding pumpkins for a stylish, bold fall display. Yellow berries in a clear vase. Fill a clear vase with white beads and arrange branches with yellow berries for a simple yet eye-catching fall centerpiece. Orange pumpkins and yellow leaves. A clear vase filled with small orange pumpkins and branches with yellow leaves makes for a stylish and easy fall centerpiece. Metal urn with branches. Use a metal urn to arrange branches, add a pumpkin and a pine cone, and you've got a rustic, cozy fall decor piece. Moody fall decor. For a more dramatic look, use branches with fake fall leaves in a vintage urn, surrounded by pumpkins, dried leaves, and feathers. Perfect for Halloween or a moody fall setup. Hay, pumpkins, and blooms. Decorate your front porch with a large vintage urn filled with hay, pumpkins, blooms, and fall leaves on branches for a welcoming fall look. Branches and berries in a vintage urn. Create a harvest-inspired fall arrangement with branches and berries in a vintage urn, complemented by pears in a bowl and some wheat for texture. Pumpkin and branches on a plate. Keep it simple with a single pumpkin on a plate and a few branches in a clear green vase filled with apples for a fresh, minimalistic fall decor. Harvest mantle with fruits. Decorate your mantle with fresh apples, pears, and other seasonal fruits, paired with a vase of branches bearing fruits for a harvest-inspired display. Yellow leaves in a large jar. A large clear jar filled with branches bearing yellow leaves adds a beautiful pop of color to any room, making it a stylish fall decoration. Using branches in your fall decor is an easy and affordable way to bring the beauty of the season into your home. Whether you're arranging them in a simple vase or creating a more elaborate display, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Try out these branch decor ideas and enjoy the warm, cozy atmosphere they bring to your fall space.